actually started thinking about this about a year ago. As we were in the pandemic mode, we realized that the interest of this particular local population here in the region in clinical research and their knowledge about clinical research is very limited. And pandemic taught us a lot of new ideas of how we can improve that. The involvement of Latinos in clinical research is less than 1% across the nation. So we decided that we will actually offer a clinical research summer program to the students for two reasons. One, to actually enhance the understanding of the importance of clinical research so that they can go back and influence their parents and their loved ones and their friends about getting more and more engaged with clinical research. That's number one. Number two, to enhance their understanding of science and what careers in science are available in the region and also outside. So those were the two primary motivations for actually establishing this summer program, which will then have a wraparound year-long program where we will be doing once a month a Saturday school to continue to enhance their understanding of science and of medicine and clinical research.
The kids are going to be here for a 4-week program, and some of it will be lectures and didactics, but some of it will also be in the field, hands-on experience. So they'll get to tour the laboratory, they'll get to tour the Orthopedic Institute, they'll get to tour the rehab centers and the pharmacy as well. So with this, they'll be able to get all this information and be able to put it together and really understand how clinical research impacts all of these different areas of healthcare.
Hello, my name is AYLEEN Martinez and I'm from Hidalgo ISD, and this is a great opportunity for us to gain knowledge as we experience a little bit of what it's like to be in the hospital, and it will help us later in the future as we pursue our career.
It's very exciting to have the students come by and visit the lab. They had a lot of questions. They were very engaged. They asked questions about blood bank, they asked questions about their blood type, they asked questions about the actual chemistry testing that we're doing, the hematology as well. So they're very engaged at that early age, so it's very exciting.
I think one of the main advantages is not only the experience they get, but also the support they get. So even when they leave the program, even when they graduate, we'll still be here, right? If they need support, if they need letters of recommendation, if they need to, how do I do this, or how do I get to this next level, we're always going to be here to support them. So I think that's one of the great advantages of this program.
Good morning. My name is Grace OCHOA, and I'm a rising senior at Hidalgo Early College High School. As an aspiring pediatric surgeon, I understand the importance of valuing the work done in clinical research. In these past 2 weeks, I have learned so much, not only about how trials and studies are done, but how clinical research is the backbone to many medical professions. Internships, workshops, and observerships are needed in order to help us, future medical professionals, further develop the love we have for medicine and for helping those in need. Lastly, I would like to thank the participating districts, Region 1, the PATHS program, and of course DHR, for opening their doors and their hearts to motivate us to become better people and in the future, better doctors. Thank you.
This is the time when their strategy is shaping as to what precisely they would be doing as they move forward in life. And this is the most ideal time to influence that particular informed decision-making process. So exposure through this summer camp and their Saturday schools, we are hoping that we can actually participate in that informed decision-making process that would influence ultimately what their career goal is going to be. So that is precisely why we wanted to actually establish it for rising juniors, because this is a time when they will be submitting their application for undergraduate programs across the country and in the region, and selecting their areas of interest, and we want to influence that particular process.